Okay, this is the very first week of this course in political science 260 research methods in political science. Um, First of all, I want to make sure that you're aware that the student introduction and the scavenger hunt are due by the end of the day this coming Saturday. And remember, the scavenger hunt is well worth your time because it's worth 25 bonus points. The reading assignments this week are to read chapters 1 and 2. Chapter 1 is entitled the Definition and Measurement of Concepts. And chapter 2 is entitled Measuring and Describing Variables. And once you have read each chapter, I suggest that you review each of the PowerPoint presentations for that particular chapter. And also, if you have any questions, make sure that you use the questions and answers discussion board that's available in each week of this course. And I will try to answer you within at least 24 hours. And the reason I ask you to use it is because of the fact that I want to share your questions and my answers with the rest of the course, because you may very well find another student in the course that has a like or similar question. Also, you'll need to complete the selected review questions noted in the week 1 tab for chapters 1 and 2. And also remember that all the assignments begin at 12 a.m. Sunday, and they close the following Saturday by the end of the week. And of course, there is the lateness policy, which is in effect for review questions, for tests, and even the final research project, for the exception of the final week when the class closes at Saturday at the end of the day. So there's no lateness policy for week 8. And as you know, the lateness policy says that even though an assignment is due at the end of the day on Saturday, you've got 2 days to complete the assignment before it closes. However, if you submit it on Sunday, it's a 10% reduction in grade, and if you submit it on Monday, it is a 20% reduction in grade. So even if you miss getting the assignment in on time, it's still worth your while to go ahead and complete it and get it in as soon as possible. And generally, I try and grade all assignments submitted within 3 days after the assignment is due. And also, I suggest that even though the first self-assessment on the research project is not due until the 3rd week, I suggest that you review the criteria for the research project very closely and begin to think about what it is that you might want to explore in terms of a research question. So that's all there is for week 1.